What up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Bizamil. We back at it again. I hope y'all subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. No hating. If you want to go tit for tat, don't even do none of that. We're on the road right now with my boy in the Tish 21, and today is going to be the power tune, so we're getting it in. The G is running phenomenal, and hopefully you see some big numbers. Well, watch this lineup right here. We the Euro boys out here. My M4, my boy AMG, my other boy AMG. Jeez. Got the two Supras, the Manny BQ, Tish 21 on the dyno. Oh, nasty. Okay. See you, Manny. Man's got all the purple lights on. Supers are nasty.
That whiskey, man. The whiskey.
Same bill. Looks like this is going to be the last pull on pump, and then we're going to switch to E85. It's loud up in here, huh? This man's all laughing.
He let off early.
Huh?
He let off early.
Oh yeah?
He let off just before 8,000 RPM.
Oh, okay.
760. It's hovering around the same power.
It's probably cleaning it up then.
700 wheel. It's not going to go higher.
That's like 8 bills. 8 bills. That's not 8 bills? No, not 8 bills.
740.
Drop the torque.
Yeah.
It's enough. So we're going to my boy's house right now. We're going to be dropping off his G37. That's the one that's going to get the GTR motor. I know some of y'all have been waiting up for a long minute, but it's coming soon, so just got to be patient.